gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go, and there's short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run. Keep your foot hard on the pedal, son, never mind them brakes. Let it all hang out, 'cause we got a run to make. The boys are thirsty in Atlanta, there's beer in Texarkana. We'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Eastbound and down, load it up and truck it. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go, and there's short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run.
Old Smokey's got his ears on, he's hot on your trail. He ain't gonna rest till you're in jail.
So you got to dodge and you got to duck 'em.
You gotta keep that diesel trucking.
Put that hammer down and give it hell. Eastbound and down, load it up and truck it. We gonna do what they say can't be done. We've got a long way to go, and there's short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run. Eastbound and down, load it up and truck it. We gonna do what they say can't be done. We've got a long way to go, and there's short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run.
I'm a-driving this truck on a mountain road. I got a hot rod rig and I'm a-flying low. My eyes are filled with diesel smoke. Hairpin curves ain't no joke. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. I was out last night drinking beer with a guy. He's got an aching head and bloodshot eyes. I met up with a pretty little dame. I didn't even know her name. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. If I deliver this hotshot freight, I gotta get a-going 'cause I'm running late. These mountain grades are mighty steep. Can't stay awake, I ain't had no sleep. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. There's a cute little waitress at the bottom of the grade. She's got the coffee already made. I gotta keep my eyes up on the road 'cause I'm going down the hill with a heavy load. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. Well, I must have closed my eyes for a while 'cause here I am and I'm a-running wild. I burnt my brakes, stripped my gears. Gonna have to ride her down, I fear. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. I wish I'd left the women alone, but it's too late now 'cause I think I'm gone. I got myself into this fix just because I tried to mix diesel smoke, dangerous curve. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve.
I've got 18 wheels and a polished rig. I'm in a big old hurry and I do mean big. Gotta get this load to Bikini Town before the sun comes up and shut me down. Overdrive. I got stopped by the man at the Sligo scale, sidetracked by the waitress at the steak and ale. Got waylaid all day, traffic jam just south of the border down in Alabama. I gotta roll on just to survive. The only time I feel alive is when I kick it into overdrive. My mama said when I was born on the run. My daddy was a truck driving son of a gun. Got a highway song running through my brain. Got diesel oil pumping through my veins. The only time I feel alive is when I kick it into overdrive. Come on! Overdrive. I gotta roll on just to survive. The only time I feel alive is when I kick it into overdrive. I had a dream last night, I was standing still. I woke up, broke out, sweating and chill. When the white light stops, they better lay me down in a cab over copper in the cold hard ground. Overdrive. Overdrive. I gotta roll on just to survive. The only time I feel alive is when I kick it into overdrive. Overdrive. I gotta roll